Here we are, alive and in the workshop with part 1 of the new LED series. And the series, I'm not only going to provide information, but I figured I would also do a build. And yeah, this episode here, I figured I'd start with the build. Materials and such that I'll be using. And the main components here will be the Rapid LED 133mm heat sinks, pin heat sinks. They work very, very well and can dissipate roughly 70-80 watts of heat. Mounted to that, we're going to be using the Bridgelux Vero 29 SE, 3500K color temperature. And this is the D version, but we're only going to be running them at 1400 milliamps, so that brings it down to 50 watts a pop. Along with that, what we'll be going on with is the Cree XPG 475 nanometer blues. Nice little diode, pretty darn good efficiency, and it's going to fill out that spectrum in an area that's quite needed. And going along with that, we'll be right up here with the Cree XPG2 H series, I believe, the 660 nanometer reds. And along with that, to help top out that red spectrum there, we have the same thing, the XPG here in 730 nanometer. The layout here that we're going for is, yeah, it's kind of like this. Now, I don't have equal amounts of each diodes, but I will be running 6 heat sinks in this format. And yeah, there'll be 3 that will be only ran with 2 660 nanometer diodes added to it. And that should be really, really nice to even out and fill out the spectrum. Now, what all this here is mounted to is it's just basically plywood edging, aluminum edging. This is the 1/4 inch for 1/4 inch plywood. Yeah, it works pretty good. It's pretty strong. And yeah, these little things here, these brackets, that's for the main rails here that go across the side to hold everything up. There, it's 3/4 inch. And I've yeah, designed and printed these with a 3D printer here to hold it. Basically to go in this orientation. Get the large one there, goes through on the bottom. And on top of that, smaller rails. I've added that little hole there for run some wiring. And the same thing with this little piece here on the side. Helps clean things up a bit, make it a little bit neater. And on the ends here, I've made these new end caps a lot lighter weight. And yeah, they're pretty well just as strong. And they work beautifully. Total output, I believe, in wattage from the cobs itself is going to be about 450. And we're looking at about another 60 watts, 70 watts or so of the discrete diodes. So I thank you very much for watching. I hope you stay tuned here for this new series. And yeah, I'm hoping to provide you with some good information that you can go shopping with. Well, thank you very much. And keep your joints lit, your bowls full, and your head held high. Bye for now.